Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. We will present about disease management in oil palm plants. Before we start, let me introduce ourselves. First, Johanes, student number 5, Amalsya Ikarohmi, student number 77, Noviana Kusuma Wardani, student number 107, Dewi Istikomah, student number 137, Serina Indira Mulyani, student number 198, and Abil Milzam Syati, student number 229. An oil palm is a type of plant that belongs to genus Elaeaceae and the order Araceae. This plant is used in commercial agriculture to produce palm oil. Oil palm is a single branch monocot plant root system, fibrous, straight stem and not branched off. The root grows from the axillary or axil. Axillary leaves products will be bouquets, but some of them experience abrasion at an early stage, so that not all axillary leaves produce fruit browns, and as well as oil palm fruit, including the hard fruit or drupe, clinging and clustered in fruit branches. And the table of contents: first, this is in oil palm plant, and second, this is management in oil palm plant.
Okay, the first disease is oil palm shoot blight. This disease can attack palm plants with symptom of drying the shoot and will give off a foul smell. This disease attack plants that are about to enter the production period and those have been in production. This disease can cause plant death and take place very fast when the attack goes to the point of growing. The causes of disease are the same as those of shoot blight and fall fruit on the oil palm plant, namely caused by Phytophthora palmivora. The second disease is crown disease. Crown disease is often found in immature garden and the most striking disease. In general, the disease is only found in gardens that are 1 to 3 years old after planting in the field. After that, the disease healed by itself, and disease plant scars developing like ordinary plants. Nevertheless, plants are a little late in growth than compared to plants that are not disturbed. Okay, the third one is leaf spot disease. This disease attacks leaves that have not opened or young leaves that's already opened. The initial symptom is a small yellow round spot on the edge of the leaf and translucent which can be on both leaf surface patches and enlarged. Round in shape, the color gradually turns brown young and the center of the spot settles or indented. With spot disease are caused by pathogenic fungi from the genera Culvularia sp.
Next, yellow line disease. Symptoms are found on the affected leaves, visible yellow oblong spot and brown spot in the middle. This disease has attacked when the tip of the leaf has not opened and will spread to other leaves that have opened on the same tree. The affected leaf will dry out and eventually fall. This disease is caused by Fusarium oxysporum. This disease attacks plants that have high sensitivity and caused by hereditary factor. Next, oil palm shoot blight. Create a drainage channel in the garden during garden sanitation. Applying the biological agent metarhizium only supply to the mass of the altis rhinoceros better. The shoot that are affected are cut. The burned or buried together with rotten fruit around them, and before the hole is closed, first sprinkle with the fungus Trichoderma sp using a systemic fungicide with the active ingredient phosphatyl ER phosphorus acid.
And now, pest management of crown disease. Since the cause of the disease isn't yet known, until now there are no study management recommendation that can be given, but we can using fungicides. Before being treated, the leaf is cut as deep as possible, as close as possible to the growing point, and the exposed parts are sprayed with a fungicide until they get wet. In the cutting, only leaves that had not opened were discarded. Older diseased leaves do not need to be cut, as fungal development will stop when the leaf opens. And now disease management of leaf spot disease, the most frequent practice of leaf blight disease control to do is eradicate the infected leaves and application of fungicide with active ingredients mancozeb at interval of 7 until 10 days. Leaf spot disease control by spraying the score 250 EC fungicide. Spraying is carried out in the morning or evening. And then yellow line disease or patch yellow. Prevention is by including disease in seedlings and young plants, which can reduce disease in nurseries and young plants in the field. In addition, yellow patch in oil palm is thought to be controlled by the Trichoderma fungus.
The last is conclusion. Oil palm is a type of plant belong to the genus Abies and the order Araceae. This plant is used in commercial agriculture to produce palm oil. The decline in cultivation yield is due to disease that attack plants such as oil palm shoot blight, crown disease, leaf spot disease, and yellow line disease. Other name is patch yellow. The prevention of this disease can be done by means of technical control, mechanical control, biological control, and chemical control. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.